Ever wondered about the magic behind Manforce tablets? It's more than just a pill, it's a solution to one of the most intimate concerns many face. Let's explore how Manforce, powered by Sildenafil, works and why it's trusted by millions. Purpose of the medicine. Manforce tablets are primarily used to treat erectile dysfunction (ED) in men. The active ingredient, sildenafil, enhances blood flow to the penile tissues, enabling stronger and longer-lasting erections when sexually aroused. It's a game-changer for individuals looking to rebuild confidence and intimacy in their relationships. Why people buy this medicine? Manforce is chosen by men who want to regain control of their intimate lives. It helps restore self-esteem and strengthens bonds between partners, making it a popular choice for tackling ED effectively and discreetly. How it works. The magic of Manforce lies in its active ingredient, sildenafil. It belongs to a class of drugs called PDE5 inhibitors. By relaxing the blood vessels in the penis, it ensures improved blood flow, which is essential for achieving and maintaining an erection during sexual activity. Safe dosage. The usual recommended dose of Manforce is 50 mg, taken approximately 1 hour before planned sexual activity. Depending on individual response and tolerance, the dose can be adjusted to either 25 mg or 100 mg. Remember, only one dose should be taken in a 24-hour period. For best results, avoid taking it with heavy or fatty meals. Side effects. While Manforce is effective, it's not without potential side effects. Common ones include headaches, flushing, nasal congestion, upset stomach, and dizziness. Rare but serious side effects may include sudden vision changes, prolonged erections lasting more than 4 hours, or a significant drop in blood pressure. Always consult your doctor if any of these occur. Who should avoid Manforce? Manforce tablets should not be used by individuals who are taking nitrates for heart conditions, as it can lead to a dangerous drop in blood pressure. It's also unsuitable for those with severe heart or liver issues, recent strokes or heart attacks, or certain eye disorders. Consultation with a healthcare provider is crucial to ensure its safety. Manforce tablets have given hope and confidence to countless individuals, but responsible use is key. Always follow your doctor's guidance to ensure safety and effectiveness. If you have any questions related to diseases or treatments, feel free to comment below. Our team is here to provide accurate and personalized answers. Like this information? Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and don't forget to share it with someone who might benefit. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with more such informative content. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and stay informed.